SNS technology. So today we are going to discuss about our student mechanical student going to discuss about one debate topic, the famous topic two-stroke engine versus four-stroke engine. Okay, let us see how their discussion is going.
About the four-stroke engine, as of four-stroke, but so the three-stroke engine has less only two strokes, but it has less complexity than four-stroke engine because two-stroke has simple construction and working process. So it is easy to repair and maintain. Compared to four-stroke, it has complex, more moving parts, which in long term, when we use four-stroke engines, it has more wear and tear and more parts to be changed.
But compared to two-stroke engine, four-stroke engine produces less emissions because we have the four-stroke. Because in two-stroke engine, the fuel will turn with the lubrication, so produce more. So it will damage to our engine. But in four-stroke, as you said, we have more complex parts, which produce less emission compared to two-stroke.
In the two-stroke engine, the power output is very high compared to the four-stroke engine. Actually, two-stroke will take only one revolution for the power. It is double than the four-stroke engine. The suction compression will take in one stroke and the power and exhaust will take in another stroke. They have only the ports only. They have no valves, so it is easy to fix in small machines, scooters like. Even though two-stroke engine power has a lower power than four-stroke, but in the efficiency, we are also producing less input for day-to-day not every day was running they usually use a fuel like 50 kilometers per hour from it takes 100 kilometers. But also there is no that much complexity because the efficiency is low. Because the four-strokes are paying the brakes and compression and power. Four-strokes performance so the efficiency is more higher. So four-stroke engine can 1 liter per petrol, 1 liter petrol, four-stroke engine can do that up and down the kilometers. Very easy. So every persons can use four-stroke engine better option. Cost of the area of four-stroke engine is around 80%, but the cost of two-stroke engine will come down 40%. So it will be saving around 40%, but customer is saving that 40%, but obviously that for 1 year we are again but the cost of buying the vehicle will be increasing, so customers will have lesser options. And relatively, after the use of four-stroke engine, we have to spend more service parts, frequent maintenance services. And two-stroke, just a simple service, simple part failures. The after-buying services of four-stroke engine is more complex and time-consuming. Yeah. Nowadays, all the newer four-stroke engine. Nowadays, you can buy a two-stroke engine for a basic price of 50K. There is no problem. But if you come to parts like automobile parts, there is no protection for that two-stroke engine. We need to want to upgrade or we need to spend more money for that like parts. So we can move on to the four-stroke engine. We can easily buy that parts for every shops. Because we are moving to the four-stroke engine. It is correct, but sports car or other variant cars like racing, we can use two-stroke comparing to the four-stroke in 150cc. mechanics moves to 100 cc.
But that because of that category, we are talking about this as you said, using this very good for the sports category. Racing cars. Yeah, we also use it in art base. But yeah, some confusion reality also in the knowledge reality change,
Most of building also has a few lubrication involved. Only for we change the engine oil for 5,000 kilometers. We can simply use the chemical for 10 to 15 years. It has a durability and we can for maintenance, having the maintenance, all the vehicle has the maintenance because we are buying the vehicle, we use it for a long time, we need to maintain. Same like that, we need to maintain for the future. Conclusion is useful degree can be affordable for everyone, but not as an important durability and efficiency is not for fulfilling that checklist for opposed to better options for the consumer for our conclusion.
Thank you.